Programming and algorithm coursework 1. Right? So the topic of my coursework is malware detection tool. Malware detection tool is simply a software program that detects harmful files and harmful files in the system. Also, this program detects and delete, or I can say quarantine the detected unidentified harmful files. So basically, this is how it run. So this is the GUI interface. Here we select the directory, select any file, malware not detected. So it scans the whole file and detect where there is malware or not. So we have detected no malware. So if there was any malware, then we could have quarantined it through quarantine detected malware service. Simply we can quarantine here and we can quarantine the detected malware. Another demo of scanning. So code implementation. Let's see the code implementation. This code snips this portion code snips set up a Python GUI application for malware detection using the tickinter library for the interface. Hash live for file integrity checks OS and shoot for file system operating and threading to keep the interface responsive during scan. Basic malware signature database. This code defines a simple database malware signature containing malware signature based on MD5 hashes. Each in each entry in the database maps MDMF hash to a string that identifies a specific piece of malware. In this example, MD5 hash E9 something something is associated with a malware identification as example virus MD5. The structure allows for easy expansion to include other hash type and their corresponding malware identification. Quarantine function. So this function moves a specified file to a quarantine directory to isolate potential harmful files. Calculate file hash. This function compute the hash of a file using a specified algorithm. Default is MD5. Scan a file and check again against malware signature. This function calculates the hash of a file using specified algorithm MD5 and return the hash as a hexadecimal string. Scan directory in a separated thread. Spread thread. This scan directory function scan a given directory for malware, optionally quarantining detected malware. It works in a separate thread to keep the GUI responsive. The function iterates through each file, uses scan file function, assumed to be defined elsewhere to check for malware, and if found, can quarantine the file based on the quarantine parameters. Hide, hide progress bar. So progress bar, this simply hide the progress bar and show the progress bar. GUI setup. This code initialize the main window of a Tickinter GUI application titled malware detection and quarantine tool with a size of 800 and 600 pixels. Directory section. This code create a GUI section for selectioning a directory with a label and entry field for displaying the directory path, and a bottom that triggers a function to select a directory. Progress bar. Progress bar simply set up a hidden integration progress bar in a GUI spanning three columns to be shown during tasks. Text area of results. Create a text area in a GUI for displaying results spanning three columns and with a height of 25 line. Quarantine checkbox. Add a checkbox for inlining malware quarantine and define a function for directory section and scanning, which upload the entire field and initiates a scan with or without quarantine based on the checkbox state and with starting with GUI event loop. Thank you.